Hey, boys and girls, let's do the do now. Start with this. Find find the area of this triangle. Go. All right, let's see how we do it. The area of a triangle, you always write the picture down, and you always write the equation down. 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 times the base. The base is the bottom. 8 times the height. That is this height, which is at a right angle to the base. This is a right angle. Times 3. 1/2 of 8 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So this area is yards squared. There we go. So 12 yards squared. Got it. That would be B. All right, cool. Let's try this one. Okay. This one is what we did yesterday. Use 3.14 for pi. Go. All right, let's try it. So volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Oh, all right, 4/3 pi radius. Bam, right there. Just gives me the radius, so that's easy. Just plug that in. Bam. Okay, so I'm gonna use 3.14 for pi because it says give the people what they want, right? So 4/3 times 3.14 for pi. That's pi, 3.14. Times 5 to the third power is 523.3 repeating, because the 3 is repeating, inches cubed, because it's volume. Volume is cubic inches. Cool. So that would be rounded to nearest whole number, 524. There we go. A, 524. Okay, last one. So here is a mastery / advanced problem. The rest are just basic. So here's your chance for mastery and advanced. Let's see if you can do it, okay? Ready, set, go. All right, here we go. So how many of these fit in these? You're filling up this with water, then you're pouring it into the fish tank. So what's the least number of full cylindrical containers needed to completely fill the fish tank all the way to the tippy top? Okay, so what do? So here is my cylindrical container, and here is my fish tank. Just drew it right here. So the volume of the fish tank is length times width times height, which is 24 times 12. This is the base, right? Area of the base times the height times 24. It doesn't matter what order you multiply it in. It's all going to be the same because it doesn't matter the order you multiply things in, you get the same answer. 24 times 12 times 24 is 6,912 cubic inches. So that's how much we have to fill. Okay, so let's figure out what one of these is then. One of these cups. How much does this hold? How much liquid goes in here? So that's going to be area of the base times the height. So that's going to be, the base is this. So that's pi r squared h. Pi r squared is the area of the base times the height. Okay, so what is the radius? It's not 6. 6 is the diameter. So that's going to be 3. Times the height. Height right there is 8. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in. So that's going to be, so it's going to be pi times 3 squared, which is 9, times 8, bam, which is 226.2 about, okay? So the volume is approximately 226.2. So how many of these go in here? Well, I'm going to divide this into this. So I'm going to take 6,912. How many of these can I fit in here? I'm going to divide these into parts. 226.2. There we go. So 6,912 divided into 226.2. So that's going to be 30. And then I have some left over right here, but that's going to overflow. So 30 can fill in. If I do 31, it's going to be too much, right? Because 226.2 times 31, that's over 6,912. That's over. So if I do 31, but if I just do, this is how I'm checking right here. If If I just do 30, that's under 6,912. That's 6,786. So that would be 30. If I put in 31, it would be too much. 30 is just right for 6,912. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to do 30 cans. There we go. Excellent job. If you got that, you are a Mastery in Advance student. Good work.